Creating a request to code form in WordPress is simple and can be done using a plugin or by custom HTML. Here's how to do it. Use a plugin. Using a plugin like Contact Form 7 or WP Forms makes it easy to create custom forms. Install the plugin. Go to Dashboard, Plugins, Add New. Search for WP Forms or Contact Form 7. Install and activate it. Create a form. For WP Forms, go to WP Forms, Add New. Choose the Request to Code form template or build from scratch. Add necessary fields like name, email, phone number, service needed, and additional details. For Contact Form 7, go to Contact, Add New, and manually add form fields using the provided shortcode. Customize the form. Add fields like text areas, checkboxes, or file uploads based on what you need for the quote. Set up email notifications. Configure the form to send submissions to your email. Add the form to a page. After creating the form, use the shortcode provided by the plugin and paste it into the desired page or post. Style the form. You can customize the look and feel of the form using CSS or the plugin settings.